So guys, this is the meat for this. We're gonna spice it up with some salt and some bouillon cubes and a lot of onions, okay? I will be right back. So guys, these are all the major ingredients for this soup. I have 2 bags of fresh frozen spinach. I left it to defrost completely. I have fresh tomatoes, 3 big red onions. I have some meat, some chicken, and some smoked turkey in there, and some beef. And I have this, it is called locust beans. I got it from the African store and the international market. I got this is palm oil, and this is chicken bouillon. This is a thickener. This is what we call it Ukpo. It's a Nigerian thickener. You can use whichever thickener you like. It might be the same thing, but we might call it different names. So many African countries call the same thing, so many different names. So if you know whichever thickener that you like, you can use it to make this food. But these are the major ingredients, and I have stock cubes here for seasoning the meat. So guys, I'll see you guys soon. I'm gonna blend this up and put them on the fire with a little bit of oil to dry. Okay, see you guys later. I already seasoned the meat with 2 big onions out of the 3. I'm gonna leave the third one and use it to fry up the fresh tomatoes to dry it out a little bit. So I have 2 of the crayfish bouillon in here, and I have some chicken bouillon and some salt, and I'm gonna put it on the fire now, guys. Guys, this is the palm oil. Just let it heat up a little bit, and add the onion, and the tomato. So here you go. Just let it simmer. Okay, we'll be back. Our meat is almost ready. Almost done. Hi guys. So here we are. The meat is almost done, and I put it down for like 30 minutes waiting for these tomatoes to dry. So now it's dried up. I'm trying to mix it together. So while I'm mixing the stock from the meat with this tomato, you add your locust beans. This is the locust beans, washed and sieved. Just add it and stir it. So yummy. So this particular soup, I don't really put the black fish or the stock fish. I just prefer to cook it with some chicken, some beef, and some turkey, you know. It's just my preference, but you can add whatever meat you like to eat in it. Now it's time for me to add the thickener. I'm just gonna make a spot over here so I can dissolve it little by little. see, just gonna take a little time because this is a big pot of soup. I put 4 tablespoons. You see? You see how the thickener works? Already starting to thicken the soup. Yeah, 4 tablespoons I think is enough. Look at all this goodness. The good thing about this is if you choose to eat it with some rice, you can. If you want to eat it with fufu, you totally can. If you just want it as a side, just it's full of protein and veggies, basically. You can just lick it like that. You know, so many options. It's a multifunctional soup. So you see what I'm saying? It's thickened up. Yep. So I'm gonna taste it. If it doesn't have enough salt, I'll add some salt. And I'm gonna blend some pepper right now. I'll add the pepper, add the crayfish, my stock cubes, and then lastly I'll add the vegetable. And that will be it. It's a very simple, non-complicated soup. Okay, I'll be back, guys. Alright guys, I'm going to add the pepper. I got some yellow pepper. The spicier the better. Now add some crayfish. I must stir it. You see? Just 4 tablespoons of thickener thicken this whole soup. This big old pot of soup. Does look really good. Alright guys, it's time to add the veggies, and I put these veggies in a sieve. It has been just maybe 2 hours, so hopefully most of the water is already out, but get to mixing. So just mix the vegetable. Mix the vegetable with the soup and we will be all set. Okay? You see this? This is how it goes. Just keep mixing. Wow. You see that? It's yummy-licious soup. You can eat whatever you like with this soup. Eat it with some rice, some yams. I'll be back, guys. I need my 2 hands to turn this big pot of soup. So guys, this is the end product of our vegetable soup. Doesn't it look good? It looks so good, so yummy. You can eat whatever you like with this. Rice, side dish, fufu. Take a peek. All right. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and let me know how delicious it tastes when you try it. Bye guys.